Hello everyone. Welcome to the Data Analytics with Excel Lab. Today I am going to explain the program number 8, working with multiple sheets. Working with multiple sheets within a workbook is crucial for organizing and managing data, perform complex calculation and create a compressive reports. Open the Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel. Open your workbook in Excel. Create on a Create on the new window button for every worksheet we want to view in the workbook. Go to view in the menu bar. View. Select a new window. So this is our new window. In each new window, click on the tab of the worksheet we want to view. Once the worksheet are displayed, click on on arrange all button in the view window. In the following dialog, select our arrangement view. Ensure that we put a check in the window of active workbook option. So here we have multiple worksheet. This is another tip that go unnoticed because the scroller bar at the bottom of the all the space at bottom of our window. The number of worksheet tabs we can see is limited. When we have more than one worksheets, that is our scroller bar. Next, to view more, simply over the three dots at the left of the scroll bar, then click and drag it to the right. We instantly start seeing more of our worksheet tab displays. In Excel, working with our worksheet as a single group is a quicker way for applying formula and formatting across worksheet with the same formatting. Click on the first worksheet tab you wish to edit. Here worksheet 1, I'm applying the sum formula. Sum of subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3. Enter. So the same as reflected to the worksheet 2. Then drag the formula to all the cells, the same as reflected in the worksheet 2. Then click Control plus for adjacent worksheet tabs, or plus shift for adjacent worksheet on the other worksheet tabs to add it to the group. So this is how we work with multiple sheets within a workbook, organizing and managing data, perform complex calculation and create a compressive report. So this is our 8th program explanation.